Today, we are showing how to update your Android device wirelessly. This will update your device with the latest features and security enhancements. Before you start, make sure you back up, charge, and connect your device to Wi-Fi. Now, let's go step by step through the process. Open Settings. Tap Software Update. Tap Download and Install. Tap Download. Next, you will have two options, Schedule Install or Install Now. Select whichever one works best for you. Wait for the update to complete. This may take several minutes. Once the process is finished, you will see the latest version on your screen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For great deals on smart devices, visit us at phonedaddy.com. Thanks.